Poem called Lunchbox Latch. I'm using some music from the web. It's actually an instrumental version of a Bob Dylan song called Leopard Skin Pillbox Hat. And my poem is called Lunchbox Latch. I wish my mind had a lunchbox latch, which I could pop open just like that lunchbox latch. Pop it open and dump out my mind and clean it out just like that. Wash it clean. Get rid of bad memories and the residuals left over from my world's sad and strange chit-chat, and put my mind back in and be happier than I've ever been again. Get back to being the me that I'm meant to be. No longer being the sad doppelganger of me. I wish my mind had an easy open lunchbox latch, because I need to grab my mind's lunchbox latch, pop that latch wide open, and search my mind for better memories. 'Cause I've come to realize we all need to manage our minds and our memories. You know, we could easily do all that with the help of a latch, a mind-opening, easy opening lunchbox latch. And then we could, in fact, do all that we need to do with our mind, with an easy, open, mind-opening lunchbox latch. Lunchbox latch.